Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today we're going to take a look at a gorgeous 1969 Chevrolet Camaro SS big block 396 car, guys. It's a recent body up restoration. Love the color combination. This is Cortez silver metallic. It's got the white vinyl interior, the ivory interior. Pretty color combination. You can see it's got US mags, chrome US mags all the way around it. Disc brakes, 12-bolt rear end. It's got a ground pounding big block 396 in it. Gentleman we bought it from says this car is almost 500 horse. And when we fire it up, you'll hear it. I mean, this thing really hits the ground good. Beautiful car, recently done. It's got slick paint on it. Just a pretty car. See the cowl hood, front and rear spoilers. I think the car, it's an original Florida car. Pretty car. It's got a good look to it. You can see they've replaced the stainless. Glass is nice. I love this silver with that white interior. Just pretty. Bunch of new cars coming, guys. I'm doing the best I can to try to get them advertised. Kind of see some little nice and flat down the sides. Looks like it's got new rubber on it, new wheels. It's got the bumperettes. And this car sounds good, man. I mean, it's got a comp cam in it. It just hits the ground. You fire this thing up, man, it comes alive. Front disc brakes. Yeah, big block 396. You can see that Edelbrock intake on it. It's got forged flat top pistons in it, comp cam, power steering, power disc brakes. It's got a nice set of headers on it. Car's all detailed up. Aluminum radiator. It's got a 400 turbohydramatic trans in it with a 2500 stall. Looks like it's got new mirrors on it, new door handles. Looks like it's got new door rubbers on it. Bucket seats, console. It's got the sports steering wheel. Looks like it's got all the correct seat belts in it. $77,000 on the odometer. That is supposed to be the original miles. Looks like it's got stock AM radio in it. Dual exhaust, 12-bolt rear end. I think it's a 355 limited slip if I remember right. It's got the jack with the spare. It's all spackle painted in the trunk. Pretty car. It's detailed up underneath. And you see a little scratch in the door pad. Again, they all have something, guys. You can always nitpick something somewhere. No matter what you spend, no matter who you buy it from, there's always something on the old car. I try to explain that to people, not being as nice as I possibly can about it, but these are, they're old cars, man. We'll have Jay fire it up here. Oh, I love the silver, guys. Just love it. That car sounds mean. I think that hood can be adjusted. You can see the corners up a little bit, but I think if we kind of play with that hood, again, it's a fresh restoration. You know, sometimes stuff comes out of adjustment. I think if we play with that, I think we can kind of get that adjusted a little bit. Fuel gauge works. It's got an oil pressure gauge down there. It's working. Well, this thing is, I mean, it just sounds good. Well, that car sounds mean, man. I'll tell you what, this car sounds good.
No on the radio.
No on the radio blower motor.
I think I feel like I'm hitting something on it.
Looks like the horticulture moving anyways. We do have to, it's going to need a new wiper motor, we know that. Yeah. Turn those back on, Jay. Yeah, that left bulb's on. We'll check it, probably just a little bit of connection. Sometimes those connections will get a little weak. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Facebook is another great way to keep in touch with us to see our new stuff that's coming. Or as always, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. Boy, that car is mean. Have a great day, guys.